Friday, and thank you so much for stopping by. If you're new here, I really appreciate it if you would subscribe to my little family here on YouTube. And if you've been here, thank you so much for sticking around. I really do appreciate it. So today I'm going to do a review on a couple of things that I thought were super cool, and I wanted to share it with you guys. And you know, just wanted to get you know, to see you guys for a little bit. And the first one I'm really excited about, so I'm going to start off by showing it to you. So first of all, I just wanted to give you a little backstory on me. I really don't wear jewelry, and this is like my wedding ring, but honestly I've never just worn like jewelry. I've never been a jewelry girl. I know it's weird, not that I don't know too many girls that don't like, not that I don't like jewelry, I just never was into it, which is, I know it's weird. But I've been trying to get into jewelry because, you know, I'm always kind of casual. Like, I'm here at home, you know, I'm always taking care of the kids, stuff like that. So, but sometimes you just want to dress it up. So I'm trying to, you know, get better. When a girl dresses up, they feel good. When they have accessories, they feel great. So, you know, I'm trying to, you know, be a better me and feel better. If I feel better, you know, we live a happier life. So that's where we're gonna talk about today, a few things that have been making me feel better. So the first thing that I'm excited about is these little jewelry from this company called Ana Luisa. And you know what, I've been like following them for a while, but I've never, like I said, I've never ordered anything because I was like, am I gonna wear it? Am I not gonna wear it? Because I'm not a jewelry person. Went to get my nails done, and you know, my nail tech was like, why don't you ever wear jewelry? Like, it makes such a difference even when you wear warm-ups or whatever. Like, it just enhances your look and stuff like that. And I'm like, you know what, I should. So I was super excited to get these from them, because these are actually some earrings that are not, you know, I won't even notice that they're on, but they're like really cute at the same time, and they'll just give me that little pop of, you know, accessory that I'm looking for. So first, let me show you the little packaging. It's so adorable. I really hope I'm focusing. So this is the packaging, which is adorable, and it's earth friendly, so that is a amazing thing. And see how cute it is. It has little buttons. You could actually use this for other things. So I'm definitely, when I travel, I'm gonna put my earrings in here and my ring, you know, when I need to shower and stuff like that. For some reason I don't shower with my ring, but yes, so this is it right here. So cute, the packaging. But these are the earrings, and they're so adorable, and I'll show you how they look on, but first I'll show you the packaging and all that. So these are it right now. These are the bunny, and they're like just really, you know, a strip of like 3 little diamonds that is so adorable. I hope you can see it, but if you can't, I'll definitely show it to you, show you the way it looks on my ear. But that is my first piece that I'm so excited about. So I do have 3 holes. Even though I don't wear jewelry, I do have holes in my ears, which is weird, and I was so excited that they didn't close. So so I was gonna put it here on the 3rd one, and then the next one, the 2nd one, this is what I was gonna wear, and then regular earrings on the bottom. So again, the cute little packaging, and then how adorable are these? And you know what, they fit so cute. So these are it right here. Sorry, I don't know why I'm shaking. Oh, there we go. I hope I am focusing. Look how adorable these are. So freaking cute. I'm so excited about it. So those I'm gonna put in this 2nd hole. I really wanted to pierce this, but I'm really scared, so that's probably not gonna happen. But these are definitely cute, and I'm so excited about them. So I'm gonna show you how they look on. Again, I am like really starting to wear all sorts of jewelry, like even necklaces and stuff like that. So I think my next purchase will be like a light start off, you know, baby steps with like a, you know, a little necklace. Sometimes, you know, I did want to buy a necklace. I don't know if you can see, but I don't have a thyroid, so this was where my surgery was. And sometimes, you know, I feel self-conscious because sometimes it's a little bit darker than other days. So I was like, what if I buy just like something like really small to hide it? So I think that's gonna be my 2nd purchase. I really like that these are really easy to put on because I have long nails. Don't ask me why. I know some people are against long nails and stuff like that, but I really enjoy my long nails, especially because I have like chubby fingers. So they're easy to put on. Look how easy that was. That's what I was like mostly afraid of. Like when I buy stuff, instead of cutting my nails, I like go around my nose, which is like insane, but that's what I do. So where's my other hole? Right here. So I just think they're so adorable. Like I said, these are so easy to put on, and just such cute earrings. Oh, how adorable are these? So this is what they look like. Excuse my ear, I don't have like, I don't know if you could see my ears, but this is what I look like. What they look like. How cute are they? They're just so small and dainty, and you know what I mean? Like I could just leave these on like all the time. So I'm gonna put the other ones on because I just feel like they're so cute. I'm both on, and I just think they look so cute, so dainty, and I just love them. I really do. So I don't know, from my understanding, you could mix your silvers and golds now. I'm not sure. I don't know how that works. I'm like trying to get into fashion. I'm trying to get up with the dates, but you guys have to remember I'm old. I'm 42 years old. So sometimes, you know, I'm behind. So if it's true, let me know that the gold, you could wear golden. And I did see a Chanel purse that I want that has both, and it looks so cute. So I'm like, if you have a Chanel purse that has both, you could probably mix and match your, you know, your golds and silvers. But let me know. I don't know, maybe I may not know, and then I'll do it, and then it's like, oh, that's not cute. But so yes, if you guys are interested, they just don't have like this small jewelry. They have bigger jewelry. They have, you know, this was just baby steps for me. Like I said, they do have necklaces. They have beautiful necklaces. My next purchase is definitely going to be a necklace, but I do have a link that you guys could go to if you guys are interested and maybe get a little discount. So yes, thank you so much for that. But Ana Luisa, I'm very excited to work with you. So next, I'm gonna show you my sunglasses. I bought some sunglasses from Nordstrom Rack. So I've been wanting new sunglasses, right? The ones that I wanted were actually sold out, or they don't sell them anymore. So I was just like, you know what? I like big sunglasses, and I was just like in the mood. You know when you're in the mood for something. So I went to Nordstrom Rack here, and they didn't have much of a selection here in El Paso for some reason. But, or maybe I just went on an off day. But the reason I went to Nordstrom Rack was because I was watching another influencer named Gina Janine, and she had bought some really cute Gucci glasses from Nordstrom Rack online. So it made me look to see like what they have, but I did like some Fendi ones. I didn't find the ones that she had because I realized that the video was pretty old. So I was like, okay, maybe that's why, you know, but I did find some Fendi ones that I really liked. The ones that I had wanted that were sold out were some Chanel ones. I don't know the name, which I'll get better at like remembering names. But then I went to Nordstrom Rack and I saw these. So these particular style, I had seen them and I was like, no way, they're only like $120. I was like in shock because I had seen them on another site for like $400 and something, right? So I was just like, oh, they're so cute, I'll buy them later. Went to bed. I do this a lot. Like I'll see something that I really like, and then I'll hold off on it just to think about it, and then when I like really want it, it's gone. So my advice, if that happens to you, and if you can, I suggest you buy it, and if you don't like it, you could exchange it later, because stuff is like selling out. Everything sells out. It's ridiculous. So but anyways, enough talk, and let me show them to you. So these are it. They're so cute. I don't know the name of them, but I will link them down below. So they're like a little cat eye. When I saw them on the picture, they didn't look this big. Okay, so I was just like, oh, they're like cute, dainty. No, they're huge. Okay, they're like a little obnoxious, and at first I was like, oh my god, they're like a bit much, but I got used to them, and I really like them. And look how cute. It says a little Fendi right there. Fendi does have a lot of new glasses too that just came out, but these are adorable. So I think so. They're not too dark and they're not too light, so I just think they're like perfect. And this is the fit. Oops, sorry, I just hit myself. So this is the fit. So this is what it looks like on the side. That's why I was like, oh my god, are they too big? Like I don't even know if they look as big as they really are on camera, but this is what they look like, and they're so comfortable. I did read on the reviews that they were big or they fall off. So I think I have a big head because they don't fall off on me. So if you have a big head, you're good to go, because I'm good to go because I have a big head. But this is what they look like. I just like really think they're so cute, so summery and cute, and like, you know, so like glamorous. And then with my new little earrings, they match so perfect. So I'm so excited about that. Yay. So yes, so again, I am gonna link them down below because I don't know if you like big sunglasses or little sunglasses or whatever. They do have a lot of glasses in Nordstrom Rack. I know I'm so late to the party, but I am so excited about it because now I saw some other ones that I really like, which they're probably sold out. That's another story. They were sold out. I didn't finish my story. I know I'm all over the place. They were sold out. I was like bummed. So I was like, you know what? Let me look at other ones. And then I had seen other ones, but I didn't really like them the way I like these. So I was like, oh, that's a bummer. So I started looking at other sites, and I think at Farfetch, they were like 400 bucks. So I was like, are they like the same ones? Because that is crazy. They were the same names, which I can't remember the name, but I will definitely link it down below. And I was like, oh, well, that sucks. But I did want new sunglasses. So a couple of days later, I was like, you know what? Let me just get some other ones because they do have other cute ones. These were back in stock. So apparently they stock things back, like they stock sunglasses back. So if you're interested and they're sold out, don't get discouraged. Go back and get them when they do sell, you know, when they do come back. I did go on the site the other day because my sister-in-law really liked them, but they were gone again. So I was like, just keep checking and hopefully they'll come back. If not, you gotta pay 400 bucks. Just kidding. But I'm sure she'll find them, hopefully. So yeah, so they come like this. Let me just show you a bit of the detail in how cute they are. So yeah, definitely have gold. Very comfortable. They don't, like I said, they don't fall off, but you might have a normal size head and not a huge head like mine. So I don't know, but I just think they're cute. Especially like with a bun, then with your hair, so cute, so cute. So, and this is a little box that it comes with, a little you know, sunglass case, and very cool, very cute. How cute is the pink inside? I got excited because, you know, Louis Vuitton does not come with cases. So when I saw the case, I was like, oh my god, it comes with a case. It's amazing. So yeah, so that's the second thing I wanted to talk to you about. The third thing is a little bit more like letting you, like a little update, you know, little update. So I don't know if you guys have seen my video, but if you haven't, just to let you know, quick story. I don't want to keep you guys too long, but I do suffer from, well, not suffer, but I was diagnosed with PMDD, which is a harsher like period, if you know, if that's the best way I can explain it. So I get really bad when I'm on PMDD. Like, I'm not bubbly, I don't want to talk to anybody, I get sad, I get anxious, like it's a lot of stuff going on, you know, when I'm on my PMDD. And so I tried medications. I tried all the medications that I could possibly think of, and they were either making it worse or making me not care, and I was just like not wanting to do that. So I started trying CBD. This CBD, this is not sponsored. The Fendi glasses are not sponsored either. Just to let you know, I wish they were, but they're not. But so this is just CBD, and I've been taking it every night. This is the 1500 milligrams. I've been taking it not every night, I'm lying, every other night, just so I could like kind of feel how it's working for me. And so far so good. I was able to sleep through the night, and I was able to be more calm in the mornings. I don't get sleepy. Like, I had gotten some other CBD that I was like, I liked it because it calmed me down. I felt great, but in the mornings I felt like almost like a hangover, or just like really tired. But this one doesn't do that to me. So I don't know, I'm not, you know, if you are taking medication, of course keep taking medication, whatever works for you. I'm just sharing my story because I'm just trying things out for myself, because I don't want to give up. I want to be happy. I want to work on my marriage, my family, like everything that means so much to me. And so I'm just like looking around to see what works for me, and you know, sharing it with you guys, so you guys, in case you guys are going through any situations yourself, you know what I mean. So like I said, I do feel more calm. I did go through my PMDD this month, and I did feel a lot better. I was able to control my mind a little bit more. You know, your mind wanders, you get upset, you get like, I'll be like laughing and crying at the same time. Like, it's really weird what I go through. I do have a video on that. If you guys have any questions, please let me know and we can talk about it together. But yeah, so this is kind of, I have bought the other one. Remember the other CBD I told you about? I forgot the name of it. I actually bought it at the Galleria in Dallas, and they had a stand, and I was like, you know what, I just want to try it. I want to see what it looks like. My husband bought it for me. It was like $80 too, and you know what, it didn't work. Well, it worked, but it made me feel really bad the next day, and it tasted really good though. This one kind of, to me, tastes like grass, so not the best taste, but you have to leave it on your tongue for 30 seconds, and then just let it dissolve. Or you can put it in tea, you can put it in your water, you can put it in whatever you want. So just to let you know, a little heads up, if you guys are interested, this is the brand, and I'll link it down below. And you know, just sharing with you guys like what I'm going through. It's a struggle for us women, even as men, like going through all these like situations, you know what I mean? So don't give up, keep trying different things. This might not work for me. I'm just letting you know what I'm trying now, and I'll keep you guys updated. But yeah, just don't give up on yourself. Happy life, because you know, all that you have control of is the present right now. Don't worry about the past, because it's gone. There's nothing you can do about it. And you know, don't focus too much on the future, because honestly, things could change at any moment. Be ready for the future, but don't focus on it too much. Just focus on right now and how happy you could be, and it'll give you a better future. So with that said, thank you so much for stopping by. I really appreciate you guys. You know, I'm really trying to upload more and, you know, get my little YouTube channel growing. So if, you know, I would appreciate you guys stick around with me. So I'll see you guys next time. Bye bye.